You don't lose money trading meme coins because you're bad at it. You lose because you aren't the house edge, and the house edge always wins. In crypto, the house edge is the developer. While you're staring at charts and chasing pumps, developers are buying on the very first second, controlling the exits, and extracting your liquidity. In this video, I'll show you exactly how this system works from the inside, real launches, real wallets, and how you can do it too. If you're ready to stop being exit liquidity and start making life-changing money, watch until the end. Let's get into it. Whatever you do, don't leave this video early. If you want a chance to get a free soul, keep watching closely. I'll be doing random drops of one soul for several lucky viewers when you least expect it, so stay locked in until the very end.
Now let me break this down in the clearest way possible, because once you understand this concept, you will never look at trading the same way that you ever did. Now look, when you buy a coin, for example, whether it's a project, a community, a news-based narrative, anything, you guys need to understand that in most cases, right, the coin will just dry out or dump to zero. And guys, it is not your fault if the coin dumped to zero. You have no control over that outcome. But the dev though, he has control over everything. He is the one dumping the coin and selling his supply while everyone is buying in. And that's exactly what makes deving so profitable in 2026. We have nothing to lose by creating coins because we are risking nothing from our own pockets. We are launching narratives, waiting for people to buy in, and then we're dumping on everyone, and it's still untapped. Okay, there are still millions to be made in this market. Okay, that's exactly why I completely transitioned to creating coins instead of trading them a couple of months ago. And honestly, bro, it has changed my life in a positive manner. Now in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to find narratives, launch them, and cash out. Everything will be said and done and shown in this video. I am not here, like I said, to sell you a course or take your money. I am just here to show you what's possible and show you how it's done. Okay, I will be exposing the entire method in this video. Let's get straight to it.
Now look guys, there's a bunch of devs on chain that are launching meme coins the wrong way. They are launching their coins on Pump.fun. Now, okay, it is the most popular DEX to launch coins on, but it's over competitive. If you are brand new to launching meme coins, you won't make any money because it's oversaturated. There are hundreds of coins coming out every single second on Pump.fun, and most of these coins they go nowhere. No one buys them. So what's the point of launching here if no one is going to see your coin? Instead, bro, you have to be launching in the migrate section, also known as Raydium. There's more volume, more money to be made, and just more opportunity for your coin to pump. Okay, now look guys, the last coin that got migrated was the EJAC coin. It ran up to a $39,000 market cap, and it has a bunch of volume and a bunch of attention. This is a perfect example of what Raydium does. Now look, to launch to Raydium, bro, do not use Pump.fun because of the migration price and because of all the restrictions. Instead, use launchmeme.fun. It's the best launchpad for Raydium because every single coin skips the bonding curve and it goes to Raydium instantly reaching thousands of people. That is exactly why it's being used, and it's being gatekept. Now, to actually make and launch a coin on launchmeme.fun, you have multiple options. You could either actually create a coin from scratch. Whether you have a custom narrative or anything like that, you can make it here.
Or you can use my personal favorite strategy, which is copying coins.
Now look, all these coins right here on the Copy Trending Coins tab, they all have a good narrative, and that's why they're on this list. They're all going viral, getting a bunch of volume, a bunch of attention, and a bunch of buyers, okay? So, we will be using these narratives to our advantage to make money on Raydium, okay? We're going to copy this coin, make a duplicate, and launch on Raydium, and you know, get buyers like that. Let me show you how it's done with a real example. Now, obviously, first of all, connect your Phantom wallet. That's the first step. After that, hit refresh so new coins on Pump.fun appears, and then look for a coin to launch. Okay, now I usually just copy coins randomly, so I'm just going to go for the mask coin. Click on Copy to Raydium. Your Phantom will show up, right? You just ignore the block and the warning from Phantom. That is completely normal and safe. Click on Proceed, Confirm, Checkbox, Confirm, and then the coin will be created. Just wait a couple of seconds. Boom. Now, if I go on SolScan, you guys can see that it's live. It's legit. It's on chain. the blockchain does not lie. So, the website actually works. Return to the site and click on Create the Liquidity Pool. Now, here is where we create the Raydium liquidity pool for your coin. People will be able to see your coin in the Migrate section, and it will reach a bunch of people. Now look, click on 90%. This will drop 900 million coins for your coin. For the amount of SOL, put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL. That is the golden zone. I'm going to put 0.3 for this video. Now, you are not going to lose this if you want this on the back. You can get it back at any moment. It is just temporarily exchanging it for some supply and then clicking on Create Pool. Your Phantom wallet will show up once again. Ignore the block. Click on Confirm. Bang, the mass coin is live and open for people to trade. After that, bro, you can see our pool live and P&L are moving. And if you want to check how much the coin make, just hit refresh and boom, we are up around $70 and it shows that the pool is successfully created. Well, that is the proof of concept for copying coins. Now, click on View on Photon. You guys can use any other platform. Let the coin load properly. And see guys, buyers are in and a lot of transactions are happening. That's really unbelievable. Now, having a coin is great, but if nobody knows it exists, nobody buys. We are not going to manually spam Twitter. We are going straight to promotememes.fun to automatically get instant exposure on Dex Screener, GMGN, and Birdeye. Connect the Phantom wallet and paste your token address. I am selecting the advanced 0.5 SOL package. You can use whatever you want. And make sure you enable Include Free Website. Here, upload your logo, set your token name, select Raydium, and select your preferred theme. I'm going with the black one, and just click Confirm. As you can see, our website preferences are saved and good to go now. Click Pay and Promote. Wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. This is a confirmation request. Click Confirm, and boom! Within seconds, it starts building a clean website and starts pushing your coin to thousands of traders. Boom! The website is ready now. Click the website link and it will redirect to a page where you can see our token details and tokenomics. You can also add the token website link to your socials. Let's go over to Photon to view the chart. Oh my god, bro, just look at this. This is the power of Raydium. I'm telling you guys, it's actually insane. We're already up like 1,100 bucks if I had to guess already. Okay, look at this, guys. The volume is insane. It cost us nothing to create this coin, and we're up generational wealth. Like, look at this. We're up so much. Okay, retracements are normal, but it's not a big deal. I'm gonna be right back. Right, when I come back, I'll show you how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back and we are pushing 2.5k in market cap. Like, the chart looks healthy, it looks good. Let me show you how to cash out right now before it's too late. Come back to the site and then click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now. And as you guys can see here, we're up $2,243 in profits. This is a good sign. This means we're up money, so it doesn't even matter, right? Now, click on the minus button. Do 100% remove liquidity. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up. Just wait. Ignore the block. Click on Confirm. Wait for a few seconds as liquidity is removed. Bang! I just showed you exactly how to dev MemeCoin, and we made $2,000. Now, if I open my wallet, boom, $2,938 are in my wallet. At the start of the video, I only have 8 SOL. Now, I have almost 33 SOL in total. Is it not insane? And yes, you can do this over and over again with multiple coins or one at a time. Okay, I do this all day, and you know, you just saw me make 2.2k in front of your eyes. See you in next video.
And yes, it is a repeatable method, bro. You have to stay consistent. You have to be launching multiple coins a day. The results will always be different. Maybe on one coin you might make $4,500 and sometimes $7,000, $30,000, or $5,000. You never know, bro, but you have to stay consistent on all your devs. If you want a chance to win free SOL for your next launch, here's the last giveaway winner, and here's how you can join too. Subscribe, drop a like, and comment Dev Meme Coin below. I'm giving someone a boost to help fund their next coin project. The winners will be revealed inside my Discord and Telegram communities, so make sure you join both. If you're not following there, you won't qualify for the giveaway.